The smooth power delivery allows you to build speed quickly and effectively without any need to adjust the car's settings via the now familiar driving experience control. Leave the car in its adaptive mode and the gearbox shifts just as you'd expect it to, slurring cogs at a cruise, while quickly shifting down when you dial in more power. All 5 Series Touring models feature self-leveling air suspension at the rear, right through from the basic SE to the top of the range M Sport. The result is a pleasingly supple ride, yet not one that wallows through the corners. Body control is excellent, in fact, mated to the same direct and well-weighted steering, the Touring is almost indistinguishably as involving to drive as the saloons. We praised the 530d Touring for its refinement and exemplary long-distance manners, and the 6-cylinder car only improves on this. It's silky smooth and all but silent at high speed, barely breaking a sweat even amid heavy rain we suffered on our test drive.